Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and happy birthday if today's your birthday. I'm very excited for today's video for my own sake because I cannot tell you how badly I need to reorganize my beauty stuff, all of the above. I will show you guys the mess that is my current situation in a moment. But yeah, today's video is going to be all about cleaning out and reorganizing my makeup. I want to throw out a bunch of stuff because I'm one of those people who keeps bottles that are empty or almost empty, even though you know that you'll probably never use them again. I don't know why. I have 10 million empty concealer things in my makeup drawers. It's crazy. So need to go through and throw out a bunch of stuff, and then things that are lightly used or I've never used that I don't want, I want to put in a separate pile for donation. So we're just gonna go through everything, clear it all out, clean it all out, and then reorganize. You can obviously start new habits, reorganize things anytime you want, but January just always feels like a good time to do it because it's the start of the year and you're just like sort of in the mood to get your ish together. At least I always am, and especially this year, I have especially been in the mood to do that, so very excited to get this put in order. So let's do this thing. So I'm actually really embarrassed to show you guys this because it is messy and I never ever show you this section of my bedroom because it's not good, but we're gonna fix it today, so here we go. So this is what we're working with here. Products everywhere, empties, like that's nothing. This whole section here, I mean, she messy. And I can't, this is giving me so much anxiety. I need to fix this ASAP. So what we're gonna do is we're going to clear off this and like clean up everything. We need to clear off this, figure out what still needs to stay in my little rotator thing here. And then we're going to go through these drawers and get rid of anything that needs to be gotten rid of. I also had some new products I want to try out because I'd never tried them before and I wanted to know how they work before I add them into the rotation here. First up being this Rare Beauty mascara. It's not great so far, to be honest. See what happens with a second coat and like building it up by the base. Like it's giving me like length, not volume. I mean, yeah, that's better. Not so bad, like not mind-blowing, but I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, nice. So yeah, I think I like it. It's not like magic on my lashes, but I like it. And I also got my first teasing brush for like more smooth backed hairstyles, and I tried it on my hair today, so here's that. Hair is very crazy right now. I'm going to be washing it tomorrow morning, so I just need to get through today. So I want to try to do like a slicked back, high pony situation. I'm going to start by sectioning off these front pieces. Now I'm gonna pull the rest of this back. Now I'm going to just like pull this back that way and this guy like that. Now I'm gonna put it up in the bun. I'm gonna take some of my gel, flick it back along here. And then I think I can just take this and like smooth it back. But I want more of that part to show, so like that more. And then for the really mini baby hairs, I like to use a smaller spoolie. Just feel like it gets in there a little bit better. I dig this look. I think it looks pretty cool. Big fan of how my hair turned out, so love this. So I feel like it makes sense to start by like doing this top part here. I'm just gonna start by clearing this off and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, we got this whole top cleaned off now. I threw out a bunch of the empties and like half empty products that I don't use. That's all gone, and then this is the stuff that we're keeping still, but maybe not all up here. Next up, we gotta clean this thing. Okay, so I got this all cleaned off, and I think what I'm gonna do next, this I know is for sure staying up here and like in this corner. So I'm just gonna put that there because might as well. Sorry, my phone is making a lot of noise right now. Now I have these two little guys here. I feel like I should maybe like wipe this out. It's a little dusty. And I'm just gonna pump out these little guys. Give this a wipe. And I keep like, oh my God. I keep like little earrings in here, so I just want to make sure that I have matches for everything that's in here. So these little guys, yes, these guys are matching, and these guys, okay, great. All of them have matches, look at me go. All of those are good to go. There's like some other trash in here, so broken clips, stuff like that, so we can trash those things. Beautiful. I'm gonna keep that there. That's good to go. Let's look inside of here, because this is just sort of like random stuff. Mine and Tara's old bestie bracelet. Mine broke, so I've just been keeping it in here. I definitely want to keep it still. What's going on in the bottom of this thing? I think this maybe needs to be cleaned out. The question is, can we get it out of here without disturbing all of these necklaces? Okay, only a couple down, that's fine. I feel like in this little guy, we should keep clips like these. Can all get moved into there. I think that's a better place for them. And then at the bottom here, I have like some little random pins and stuff. Some of these I want to keep because they have sentimental value, like this one that I got from the Harry Potter musical, or not musical, play, excuse me. Like I have these cute little Harry Potter pins that I want to keep, but like some of these other little random ones can go. And then yeah, in here I think is still a good place to keep my extra scrunchies and stuff. Now I do have this little mini jewelry case that I got from my grandma. And then I also have this bigger jewelry box, which is also like a little, what are these called? Music box? And look, she has this little photo of me in there when I was a baby, me and Santa. My grandma passed away a couple years ago, if you guys don't know, but we actually sold her and my pop-up's house this past year, and so we all got to sort of go through and like collect a couple things from her. So these were two of the things that I got. I'm thinking in here, I'm going to keep some of these earrings that I wear less often. Like there are these tiny little cuff ones and stuff like that. And then this, I'm not totally sure yet, so I'm just gonna place it there for now. That should be okay. This little guy can slide in there. Okay, I'm feeling good. We're making progress. Now to finish up that top part on top of my dresser, we're gonna need something that I ordered. Okay, I found this bamboo organizer and just thought it was cute and super functional, especially for what I need on top of my dresser there with my products. So this should be perfect. Voila, and it swivels. Yeah. So that is definitely the only unfortunate thing about this is that, yeah, not so much swivel. So I'm just gonna start by organizing my products by category, like hair, body, stuff like that, and then we'll start figuring out how it fits into this organizer. It should come out this way. That way it's a little bit easier to access both sides. I feel like that could be good. Or should I just try to like, which room does this need so it can fully turn? I need to go like that. All right, I want to start with this tall section right here. 100% need my curl cream to go in there. Although I am also thinking maybe hair products should go on top here. So I'm conflicted. Let's get like this in there, this in there. Oh no, it doesn't fit. What about you? Yes. And then I'm thinking this can go over here. I wish that there was one more tall spot like this. That would be convenient. Like these don't come off, do they? No. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put curl cream in here because we have hair stuff here. We can probably fit, no, that was wishful thinking. Okay, that's fine. Get my gel in there, that's good. Maybe we can get my perfume right in there. And let's turn this baby around. I definitely want like my deodorant to go in there. And then we can get moisturizer. Very inconvenient, the sizes of these things. Even my tiniest products can't fit. Let's reassess for a moment. This is almost empty, so I'm almost done with that. This guy is what's gonna live in there more permanently. Haha. And now everything fits. We love it. Down here, I'm thinking, what if I put this little guy down there just to fill that spot? And then up top, I'm going to have to put some more like body related products. our Luxe Unfiltered up there, self-tanners. We can get this hydrating mist that I couldn't fit in anywhere else up there. And then maybe the rest of this leave-in conditioner, since I'm going to polish that off probably in the next few days. Yeah. Okay, you guys, I feel solid about that. Now this organizer is sort of meant to house all of the products that we use on a regular basis on our face. So there's definitely some stuff in here that I don't use anymore or right now. So I think it needs to be cleared out to make some room for stuff that I am using. And there we have it. It looks so much better, you guys. I am so happy with the way that this has been transformed. I feel like it's so much more functional, more organized. I did switch a few little things off of camera. I put some extra scrunchies inside of the music box here, really big ones that I would use for when I'm sleeping. I also swapped out what I had inside this little mini jewelry box that I had here. Instead, I just put some more like sentimental jewelry, like the Bestie bracelet with Tara, and I have this other BFF bracelet that my friend Sam gave me. Thought that that made a little bit more sense in there. Oh, I'm just so happy. This feels so much better. And now, I'm just so happy. This looks so much better, but we are not done yet, because we have to tackle the drawers. So the nice part about these drawers is that it's all concealed, so I don't need it to necessarily look great. I just want it to be more functional, and I know that there are tons of products in here that I just like don't use anymore, never have used, so definitely won't. Empties, I mean, all sorts of stuff. So I just feel like it needs a good clean out. That way we can filter in some new products that I've gotten that I have extras of, or that I want to save to try later, or just things that I don't reach for all the time but want to be able to have on hand. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe how long that took, but we made it through all of the drawers now. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell a big difference, but I can tell. Oh yeah, this drawer gets stuck, so we're gonna skip that one. Anyway, I can tell a huge difference. Cleared out so many products. I literally had no idea where all of my lip liners were. Found them. This drawer is so much more cleared out, room for products if I have anything new. These drawers are where things got a little bit messy and hard to totally organize, but I think it's organized enough that I can figure it out. I have all of my extra scrunchies back here, as well as some of these pins. I don't really wear these, but I'm keeping them in case I ever want them for a costume or something like that. I also have my little like St. Patty's Day necklace back there. I have all of my travel bags. I use these for like jewelry and hair products when I travel, as well as extra hair bands. Sunglass cases back here. I moved all of the nail polish that I use regularly into this drawer. My little elastics, some like pasties, stuff like that is all there. And then in this drawer, we had more room for hair products, which I really needed because I have a lot more hair products than I used to use now. So kept some nail stuff back here, just like little accessories and tools. Have all of my hair clips in here, brushes here, bobby pins, and then products. Back here I have like spray products that I mostly use when my hair is straight. And then up here I have extras of products slash just like products that I don't use on the regular, but I like to keep for my curly hair. And then also nail polish remover. This drawer I really didn't touch because I don't really need to. This is where I keep my travel makeup cases as well as extra cotton pads. So yeah. This drawer I also didn't touch too much. Again, it just really didn't need it. I use all of this stuff. These are all my travel size of things. And then this drawer actually changed a bit more to like extra products. I cleared out a ton of stuff that I don't use in here and changed it to like products that I have extras of or that I'm holding on to, like the shampoo I don't need to use right now, but I want to hold on to it. Have some sunscreen in there, my after sun, you know, when I inevitably burn because I'm so white, as well as some of these hair products that again, I don't reach for every day, but I want to have access to. By the way, I also found the nose ring that I wore during F the prom and had to move it into my sentimental jewelry box here. The perfect place to keep it. What an improvement, you guys. Oh, I feel like this has made such a difference in my life. I cannot tell you how satisfying this is to me, you guys. I feel like I know what I have. I know where everything goes. There's no like extra products sitting around somewhere with no home. Like I know exactly where everything goes and that feels so good. I just get so many products and I'm constantly trying new things. It's really hard to stay organized. So I feel really solid about this. Solid that so many of these drawers have room to add more things in, and I'm gonna try to stay more on top of it this time, although inevitably things will get out of hand again and I'll have to start over. But especially feeling good with this, like at least the mess can be hidden in here instead of up on here. So I mean, the difference, it's huge. This little organizer made all the difference. I feel so good about it. What a nice productive afternoon. That was lovely. I'm so glad that I got that off of my plate because it has been weighing on me for a couple of weeks of just like, when am I going to get around to this? So it just feels good to have it done. I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Maybe it inspired you to reorganize your makeup, clear it out. Like seriously, when is the last time that you cleared out your makeup? Because I know for me, it had been about a year because I moved about a year ago. So that was the last time that I did it and it desperately needed to happen again. So it feels so good to be done with it. And now I don't have to deal with it again until next year, right? Let me know down below the last time that you reorganized your makeup or if you're going to reorganize it now that you've seen this video. And I'll be sure to link the organizers that I used down below. That way you can snag some for yourself and maybe reorganize your goodies. And that's everything that I have to say to you today. So hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one.